Potted organic mustard tips. No glue required. Huge and simple. Make use of the waste plastic bottles at home. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. It doesn't take up any space at home. The process is very simple. Even beginners can learn. These are the plastic bottles that are usually accumulated. Plastic bottle cut in half. Punch 3 holes for hanging. The remaining holes are used for drainage and ventilation. So this is a simple vegetable growing device. The soil is rich in humus, loose and breathable. Seedling spacing 7 to 10 centimeters. Water to keep plants moist. Excess water will automatically flow into the sink below. Then hang the potted plants. Save space. After 16 days, the seedlings will grow 3 to 4 leaves. It doesn't matter if you forget to water it for a few days. After 30 days, the leaves start to grow and turn green. After 45 days, the plants began to bloom. His leaves have a spicy and bitter taste. Mustard is often used to make soup or to make pancakes with lettuce. Mustard is rich in vitamin A and vitamin K. Can be used as sea iron. Zinc supplements.